Alright, early afternoon continues as we are into the second day of the Operation Lifesavers CREX Train Week. September 24th, 2024, CN Hayes here. 1326 coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin again with probably going to be my last video for today, and it's also the highlight of the day. We're going to have the roll-by of the U723 71 of the 20th on the way, with two new C6M rebuilds plus an ex-CitiRail that is on there. Doing the honors for this roll-by will be the 3361 along with the 3353 and the ex-CitiRail, the 2751. Sticking around the roll-by as it heads on its return back to Mintac Mine in Mountain Iron, Minnesota, since starting in Convent, Louisiana. As we'll lean back to get him, here we go. 3361 was previously GECX nee-BNSF. 4479. About a 20 yards since 9:50 this morning. We'll it up here as the early afternoon continues. Here's the multiple DPUs of the new 3353 and the ex-CitiRail, the 2751. New C6M rebuilds checked off my list. All of that. Another 57 to go. The ex-BNSF styled. About that. So that will do it for the U723 71 of the 20th. And we'll do it for the new 3361, the new 3353, and the ex-CitiRail, early 2751. I have a feeling those three will likely go at it again as the U724 81 when they finish the reload up at Mintac Mine in Mountain Iron, Minnesota. And that's going to do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin, near milepost 353.37. Thanks for watching, folks. Have a great afternoon. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.